first video is going to explain to you how to launch Animoto. To launch it, do not use Google Chrome. You are going to go to Front Motion Firefox and click it open. This allows all the images to show up where Google Chrome only allows part of them. It might take a little longer to launch, but once it is up, then it is good to go. So now what you are going to do is you are going to type in Animoto.com, and up here where it says log in, you are going to click on that. You have been given Ms. Douglas' email that is on the board and also on the sheet. So you can go on this at home or school to work on your video. And my email, and then the password, which is Liam Wesley. And go ahead and log in. You can ask for it to save, so that way when you use your computer again, it'll be logged in. And by using this, you can now scroll down and see all the projects. Usually sometimes it takes a minute to load, but they're all coming up.